It's not simple to say.
Say panangaro at balimin bayamban at naparisan at balot na salatan. Home of the tallest bamboo structure, really majestic, it's our main attraction. Just balimi masamit suburo, duman dumaya, kawayan yo. The abundance of onion from the rich oil of this nation. Balikon lianakan, balikon bayambang, Galija, Galila, either town you're most welcome. Niya aruming bayambang, our longest barbecue grill. tickets are main attraction. Jadwali ni masamit suburo. Duman-dumaya, tawayan yo. The abundance of onion from the rich oil of this nation. Balikon lianakan, balikon bayambang, Galicia, Galila, either town you're most welcome. Niya aruming bayambang, our longest barbecue grill, full of happiness, full of cheer. Try our okrans, oh so yummy. Agay sa mi, napalabay ni. Balikon ni Anakan, balikon bayambang. Galicia, Galila, either town you're most welcome. Ninya aruming bayambang. Galicia, Galila, either town you're most welcome. Ninya aruming bayambang. Ninya aruming bayambang. Discover beautiful bayambang.
Once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. While we are waiting for the start of the program, I invite everyone to please feel free to grab your native delicacies and coffee at the Pika Pika area and take the opportunity to have photo opportunity with your friends while we are waiting for the start of the program. Maraming salamat po.
Discover beautiful bayambang. Say panangaro at balimin bayambang. At naparisan at balot na salatan. Home of the tallest bamboo structure. Really majestic, it's our main attraction. Jadwali ni masamit suburo. Duman-dumaya, tawayan yo. The abundance of onion from the rich oil of this nation. Balikon lianakan, balikon bayambang. Galicia, Galila, either town you're most welcome. Ninya aruming bayambang. Our longest barbecue grill, full of happiness, full of cheer. Try our okrans, oh so yummy. Agay sa mi, napalabay ni. Balikon ni Anakan, balikon bayambang. Galicia, Galila, either town you're most welcome. Ninya aruming bayambang. Galicia, Galila, either town you're most welcome. Ninya
Good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. May we invite all the awardees for 2025 Matalungaring Awards to please assemble now at the back for the entrance. And may request everyone to please settle down because we are about to start the program. Thank you. May we also invite our special assistant to the Office of the Mayor to join the entrance. Thank you.
Ilukas na labas na dyan. Open nyo lang yan, Dok. Check lang.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Matalungaring Awards, a celebration of Bayambangueño excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the entrance of our municipal mayor, Honorable Mary Claire Judith Phyllis Nina Jose Quiambao, represented by our special assistant to the Office of the Mayor, Dr. Cesar T. Quiambao. My dear friends, the 2025 Matalungaring Awardees, starting with Eskrima Master, father of Largo Mano in America, posthumous awardee, Leovigildo Leo Miguel Hiron, represented by Dr. Nicolas Miguel. Our next awardee, Doctor of the Masses, posthumous awardee, Dr. Amado M. Layog, represented by his children, Reverend Father Anthony Layog and Bishop Fideles Layog. Our next awardee, a lifetime of faith and service, Reverend Monsignor Orlando C. Sabangan, PC. Our next awardee, a dedicated medical pioneer, Dr. Ernesto Trinidad Mataban. Our next awardee, accomplished banker and philanthropist, Madam Agnes C. Brillante Santos. Our next awardee, distinguished leader in information technology, Madam Maria Mina Luz Mataban Lim. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the 2025 Matalunggaring awardees. At this moment, may I request everybody to please settle down. Muli, isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sakay ya malikat, magayaga, tan marak dakep ya kabwasan at sikay namin. According to Dr. Jose P. Rizal, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. This morning, we gathered to celebrate the highest honor ever bestowed upon a Bayambanggenyo, the Matalunggaring Award. This prestigious recognition is reserved for individuals who unparalleled dedication, unwavering service, and profound contributions have shaped the very fabric of our beloved municipality. Their efforts have uplifted lives, inspired communities, and carved legacy that will stand the test of time. Their embodiment of excellence, resilience, and true leadership, proving that greatness is is not just measured by achievements, but by the lasting impact one leaves behind. Today, we pay tribute to their sacrifices, their triumphs, and the indelible mark have left on Bayambang. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 7th Matalunggaring Awards. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to acknowledge our dignitaries, starting with ang atin pong ilaw ng buong bayan ng Bayambang, ang ilaw at puso ng bayan ng Bayambang, ang atin pong mayor, walang iba, the Honorable Mary Claire Judith Phyllis Ninia Jose Kiambao, who's joining us virtually. Ma'am, good morning. To the Special Assistant to the Office of the Mayor, our first gentleman, Dr. Cesar T. Kiambao, sir. Our Municipal Vice Mayor, Dr. Ian Camille Sabangan. The Liga ng mga Barangay President, Pangasinan Chapter, Board Member Raul Sabangan. The members of the Sangguniang Bayan, starting with the Honorable Melvin Boying Junio, Honorable Philip Dumalanta, Honorable Benjamin Francisco de Vera, Honorable Jose Boy Ramos, Honorable Gerardo D.C. Flores, Honorable Amory Junio, Honorable Martin Tirado II, and Honorable Levinson Nesus Ue. We also have here the OIC Liga ng mga Barangay, Honorable Rodelito Bautista, and our SK Federation President, Honorable Marian Cheska Dulay. Pwede po tayong pumalakpak. Like also to acknowledge our special guests, we have Madam Jocelyn Espejo, Mr. Vande Paragas, Engineer Zerex Tirado, and of course, Mr. Nazar Boying Culas Junio. I'd like also to acknowledge the members of the LGU Bayambang family with our department heads, unit heads, led by our municipal administrator, Attorney Rodelyn Regini Sagarino Vidad, our Chief Executive Assistant to the Office of the Mayor, Ma'am Carmela Atienza Santillan, and of course, ang punong abala sa atin pong pagtitipon ngayong umaga, ang nag-iisa at ang pinakakauna-unahang Sangguniang Bayan Secretary, SB Secretary Joel Camacho. Lakasan niyo daw po yung palakpak para sa kanya. We would like also to acknowledge the members of the Selection Committee for the Matalunggaring Awards 2025, headed by their chairperson, Dr. Julie Junio. I'd like also to acknowledge the former Matalunggaring awardees present. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. The Jose Kiambao family, nandyan po si Dr. Ted Glorioso, Attorney Arnel Glorioso from the JKQ. We have Sir Romeo T. Kiambao and Ma'am Lulu Kiambao, Sir Simplicio T. Kiambao Jr. and Ma'am Belen Kiambao, Ma'am Juliet Kiambao, and the rest of the Kiambao family is present. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. And of course, we have here the former Matalunggaring awardees. We have Dr. Maria Celia Joy Fernandez, Matalunggaring Awardee 2017 si Dr. Joy. We also have Matalunggaring Awardee 2019, Dr. Clarita Jimenez. Matalunggaring Awardee 2022, Professor Bernardo Jimenez also is here. And Matalunggaring Awardee 2019, Mr. Josefino Mataban. Muli po sa inyo pong lahat, mga kaibigan, at sa lahat po ng mga nanonood via Facebook Live, muli po magandang umaga and happy fiesta to every Bayambanggenyo. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, may I request everybody to please stand for a doxology to be led by Mrs. Victoria J. Malagutnot, after which will be the entrance of the colors, led by the Bayambang Municipal Police Station Color Guards, nasusundan po ng pag-awit ng pambansang awit ng Pilipinas sa pangunguna ni Binibining Jeda T. Bautista at ang ating pag-awit ng Pangasinan Hymn at Bayambang Hymn.
Now I heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you need to prove. You saw her batting on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight of her true young. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa tip-tip mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisiil, sa dagat at puntok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng wataw at mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw na luwan, hatid pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Pinaglimbaling bayamban, tawirag imuunan kaatanan, marakdakep, ya panayaman, ni matalek, anggad inerman, ya di storya di tan nabasa, kumaliman ka biseray bansa, iagel ni ka, agni paunyanan, si kalay, lawas ya simpitan, ibulaw bayambang, lalay ko bayambang, tawir ko bayambang, arun bayambang, seger abig na ulupan, tan progreso'y agla na ang pelar, ni kurited sang kamunduan, sang karapuyan ya kalutan at dalan, bayambang balik kong kabangunan, ni udel at nunot panliknaan, agan balot, anatila, ayala, pinablin bayambang, ibulyaw bayambang, bayambang, tawir ko bayambang,
Thank you very much. You may all be seated. Sumuli po, isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. To welcome us all in this Matalunggaring awarding ceremony, please welcome our Municipal Administrator, Attorney Rodelyn Ragini Sagarino Vidal.
To our beloved and very beautiful Mayor, Mayor Nina Jose Quiambao, our Special Assistant to the Office of the Mayor, and our former Mayor, Dr. Cesar Tirado Quiambao, our beloved Vice Mayor Ian Camille Sabangan, and our board member, Raul Sabangan. Good morning. To the members of the Sangguniang Bayan and the new members of Team Quiambao Sabangan, my fellow LGU employees, and our beloved and pinagmamalaki po naming mga matalunggaring awardees, and my fellow Bayambangueños, magandang umaga at maligayang pagdating sa Matalunggaring Award Ceremony. Isang napakahalagang kaganapan para sa ating minamahal na bayan ng Bayambang. Ngayong araw, sama-sama tayong magpupugay sa kahusayan, dedikasyon at mga pambihirang kontribusyon ng mga kahanga-hangang individual. Ang Matalunggaring Award ay hindi lamang ang pinakamataas na parangal na maaaring matamo ng sinumang Bayambanggenyo. Ito ay isang patunay ng diwa ng serbisyo, pamumuno, at hindi matitinag na dedikasyon na pagyamanin ang ating bayan. It is a profound opportunity to join the esteemed ranks of individuals like Sir Cesar Quiambao, the visionary architect behind the revolusyon laban sa kahirapan and a pivotal force in the progress and development of our beloved Bayambang. At its core, this award embodies the ability to inspire change within our community and uplift the lives of others. It signifies a commitment to service, a passion for progress, and a passionate dedication to making a difference. This is the aspiration that every Bayambanggenyo should strive for the essence of our humanity lies in our capacity to transform the lives of those around us for the better. Our Matalunggaring awardees are, without a doubt, our heroes. They are shining examples of what it means to lead with purpose and heart and excellence. Their accomplishments remind us that true greatness is not measured solely by individual success, but by the positive impact one has on the lives of others. Today, we honor not just our awardees, but also the values they embody: excellence, resilience, compassion, and a deep-rooted commitment to serving others. Each recipient of the Matalunggaring Award has brought pride and honor to our hometown through their exceptional contributions to Philippine society. May their stories inspire us all to become active participants in the betterment of our town, in the betterment of our country, to embrace our roles as agents of change, and to uplift one another as we work together toward a brighter future for our children and the next generation to come. Thank you all for being here today, for being part of this very important event to honor these remarkable individuals. Let us celebrate their accomplishments and inspire one another to carry forward the true spirit of the Matalunggaring Award in our own lives. Enjoy the celebration and masantos siya kabosan at sikatayo namin. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Attorney Raj, for that warm welcome remarks. At this point, I'd like also to acknowledge, ladies and gentlemen, the members po at ang mga punong barangay po, mga representatives ng mga punong barangay ng atin pong bayan. Nandito po sila. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga punong barangays. Kasama rin po natin ang mga SK chairpersons na naririto. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. And of course, we would like also to acknowledge the families, relatives, and friends of our Matalunggaring awardees. Hindi ko na po sila iisa-isahin, palakpakan naman po natin sila. And of course, we have also here the other members of the selection committee for this year. We have Dr. Godelia Samson, Dr. Raquel Pambid, and Reverend Father Redentor Mejia. So at this point, ladies and gentlemen, para naman po magbigay ng mensahe para sa ating lahat, ang atin pong ilaw at puso ng atin pong bayan, ang atin pong punong bayan sa bayan ng Bayambang, ang nag-iisa at magpapatuloy at magpapanalo ng revolusyon laban sa kahirapan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Mary Claire Judith Phyllis Nina Jose Quiambao.
Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Para sa inyong natatanging serbisyo at kontribusyon sa bayan ng Bayambang, malugod ko pong binabati ang mga Bayambanggenyong gagawaran ng ating lokal na pamahalaan para sa Matalunggaring Awards 2025. Ang bawat isa sa inyo ay patunay ng husay at kalibre ng isang Bayambanggenyo. Ang inyong mga kwento ay mananalaytay sa ating kasaysayan upang magsilbing inspirasyon sa mga susunod na henerasyon. You all bring out the best of what Bayambanggenyos could be, and you did a great service to your hometown by being beacons of hope to your kabalayans. Keep in mind that this prestigious award, the Matalunggari Award, which is the highest award which our LGU confers to outstanding Bayambanggenyos, is not only an award to recognize your titles or achievements. It focuses on how you use these achievements for the greater good and how you impact our community and fellow Bayambanggenyos. Ipinagmamalaki kayo ng ating bayan at pinasasalamatan kayo ng lokal na pamahalaan para sa pagkamit ng karangalan sa ngalan ng Bayambang. I hope that you continue to do more and help us in inspiring our young ones to be of service to the municipality and the entire country. Hindi po nagtatapos dito ang inyong mahalagang gampanin sa lipunan. There is certainly a lot more that we can accomplish together. And as long as we have faith in God, determination, and genuine love for our people, then nothing is impossible. Mabuhay ang mga Matalunggaring nga Bayambanggenyos. Balbalag salamat EDSI kayo namin. Once again, congratulations and niniarata kayo. To God be all honor and glory.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the message of our municipal mayor. Sa pagkakataon naman pong ito, mga kaibigan, atin naman pong tunghayan ang isang simpleng presentasyon ng history ng atin pong Matalunggaring Awards. Panoorin po natin ang special presentation prepared by the Office of the Sangguniang Bayan Secretary for Matalunggaring Awards 2017 to 2024. Please watch this.
Talumpay Bayambanggenyos ko na pantutungtungan. Yaman na anan ang kahinarman. Talunggaring na bagay sa kayo'y paggalangan. Sa hindi pag-amor ng kagalangan at kanatawanan. Bayambang palay ko, yaapangan. Bayambang talunggaring at nasabsabaan. Ang kaninari matalagtaka, pinapliya, bayambang. nasabsaban hanggang inuli matalentaka pinabiyang bayambang paloy ko yaabangunan bayambang talunggaling at nasabsaban hanggang inuli matalentaka pinabiyang bayambang palay ko yaabangunan bayambang talunggaling at nasabsaban hanggang inuli matalentaka pinabiyang bayambang paloy ko yaabangunan bayambang talunggaling at nasabsaban hanggang inuli matalentaka pinabiyang bayambang palay ko yaabangunan bayambang talunggaling at nasabsaban hanggang inuli matalentaka pinabiyang bayambang paloy ko yaabangunan bayambang talunggaling at nasabsaban hanggang inuli matalentaka pinabiyang bayambang palay ko yaabangunan bayambang talunggaling at nasabsaban hanggang inuli matalentaka pinabiyang bayambang paloy ko yaabangunan bayambang talunggaling at nasabsaban hanggang inuli matalentaka pinabiyang bayambang palay ko yaabangunan bayambang talunggaling at nasabsaban hanggang inuli matalentaka pinabiyang
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Para po makilala po muli natin ang mga matalunggaring awardees since 2017 to 2024. Palakpakan naman po natin silang lahat. At this point, we now proceed to the highlight of this occasion, the presentation of awards. And before we start the presentation, may I request our ushers and usherettes to please get ready for the chairs as we call our municipal officials and our special assistant to the office of the mayor to join us here in front for the awarding ceremonies. And while they're doing that, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to acknowledge more friends who are here. The Medical Director of Julius K. Kiambao Medical Hospital, Dr. Dave Gamboa. Magandang umaga po. And we also acknowledge the father of our municipal mayor, Mr. Philip Jose. Sir, good morning, and thank you for joining us today. The Matalunggaring Awards are the highest tribute we can offer to those who have given their lives in service to Bayambang. Today, we celebrate not just their achievements, but the lasting legacy they leave behind. Ladies and gentlemen, the Matalunggaring awardees. Starting with ladies and gentlemen, the Matalunggaring awardees, starting with our first awardee is a native of Barangay Hermosa, was a revered Eskrima Grandmaster, recognized as a legend in the United States. Born on August 20, 1911, he trained in Filipino martial arts at an early age, later refining his skills both as a guerrilla fighter and a martial arts instructor. During World War II, our awardee returned to the Philippines as a part of the top secret counterintelligence unit under the U.S. Filipino Defense Forces. His experiences in combat and military training deepened his mastery of Eskrima, particularly the largo mano or long hand technique for long-range fighting. After the war, he settled in California, where rising crime rates and violent incidents reignited his passion for self-defense. In 1968, he established an Eskrima school and eventually founded the Bahala Na Filipino Martial Arts Club. He became widely recognized as the father of Largo Mano in America. Beyond martial arts, he was also a labor rights advocate, working alongside with activist Larry Itliong to fight for equal labor rights for Filipino and immigrant workers in the U.S. His legacy continues to inspire generations in both martial arts and social justice. Nominated by Mr. Resty Udon, ladies and gentlemen, Eskrima Master, father of Largo Mano in America, Matalunggaring awardee Leovigildo Leo Miguel Hiron, posthumous awardee. He will be represented by Dr. Nicolas Miguel. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Eskrima Master, Father of Largo Mano in America, Leovildo Leo Miguel Hiron.
Thank you, Dr. Rafael Saigo. Sa mga kababayan kong taga-Bayambang. Our Honorable Mayor, Maria Clara Jose Kiambao, and our former Mayor, Special Assistant to the Office of the Mayor, Dr. Isarte Kiambao. And the public Sangguniang Bayan members headed by our Vice Mayor Ian Camil Sabangan and her husband, board member Sabangan. In behalf of our family of Miguel Hiron, maraming salamat po sa karangalang ibinigay nyo sa aking pinsan. Gusto ko lang banggitin, besides sa kanyang pagka-master ng Eskrima during the Second World War, he joined the forces of MacArthur in going to the Philippines in campaign against the Japanese occupation. And he joined the guerrilla movement together with the late President Ferdinand Marcos and the late Lino Pataho of Tayog, Pangasinan. Ang kwento niya sa akin, dahil yung last na punta niya, nasa college pa ako ng pre-med. Naging naatake ng malaria si President Marcos at nasira pa yung kanilang midship sa lakas ng kanyang pag-seizure. Pero ang patunay na yun pala ang talagang si President Marcos ay guerrilla leader during that time. And you know, Lino Pataho also naging isa rin sa mga writer at cabinet member ng ating gobyerno. Muli, maraming salamat po sa gawad na ito.
Thank you very much, Dr. Nicolas Miguel. On behalf of our first awardee, the Eskrima Master, Father of Largo Mano in America, Leovildo Leo Miguel Hiron. Let's proceed to our second awardee. He was an accomplished and dedicated physician who devoted his life to serving his community. Renowned for his kindness and humility, he was a trusted figure in Bayambang, saving countless lives with his quick response, expertise, and genuine concern for his patients. As the town's medical officer in the 1960s, he prioritized serving the underprivileged, making house calls even after retirement. His role at the Puriculture Center, now called RHU, was crucial in ensuring the health of pregnant women and newborns, bringing many healthy children into the world. His gentle nature and warm approach earned the trust of children and adults alike, making him a beloved doctor in the community, especially to the poor residents in the far-flung barrios at a time when public transport over unpaved roads was limited to horse-drawn carretillas. Beyond medicine, he was a respected leader, often invited to chair events and speak on important issues. His unwavering dedication was evident in his willingness to work tirelessly. His selfless service, leadership, and faith left an indelible mark on the lives he touched. He remains deeply cherished by those who knew him, embodying the true spirit of service and compassion. He is the father of Dr. Marichu Layog Katan, Reverend Father Anthony Layog, and Bishop Fidelis Layog. Nominated by Dr. Maria Joy Fernandez, please welcome the Doctor of the Masses, Matalunggaring Awardee, Dr. Amado M. Layog, posthumous awardee. The award will be received by Reverend Father Anthony Layog and Bishop Fidelis Layog. How about applause, ladies and gentlemen?
Good morning, everyone. I stand before you today with great gratitude and humility as we, his family, my elder brother, Father Anthony, my beloved sister, Dr. Marichu Layog Katan, our dear cousins and relatives, accept this honor on behalf of my father, Dr. Amado M. Layog. Though he's no longer here with us, his spirit and legacy continue to inspire us all. Gratitude always comes from remembering. This recognition is a testament to my father's humble yet profound impact as a doctor serving the Rural Health Unit of Bayambang. I know that if my daddy were here today, he would accept it not for himself, but for everyone who believed in his mission to help others and for all those who shared in his journey as a simple yet dedicated physician to young and old alike. Fondly called Doc Amading, my father dedicated his life to serving the sick in our rural areas from 1959 until his retirement. He embodied perseverance, wholehearted kindness, deep compassion, not only in his medical service, but also in his service as Saint Vincent Ferrer as an extraordinary Eucharistic ministers. His legacy lives on, not just in the lives he healed, but in the lessons he imparted and the example he set. Imperfect as he was, both as a person, as a father, he was perfectly hardworking, loving, self-sacrificing husband of Olita Tagyang Bautista, and the father and doctor for us all. In behalf of my siblings and their families, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Mayor, Honorable Nina Jose Kiambao, and former Mayor, Honorable Cesar Kiambao, the honorable leaders of our local government, the organizing community of this prestigious award, to our beloved Madam Maria Celia Junio Fernandez and Madam Madeline Tan, my dear cousins of the Mataban and Layog families, and my beloved relatives, in-laws, and neighbors and friends here and abroad who have spent part of our journey as a family. though we deeply feel the absence of our father, alongside my beloved mother Julita and eldest brother Chofini, and our dear aunties Leoncia and Petra, this award is a powerful reminder that his work and his legacy and values live on. Let us continue what he has started, carry forward his mission, and honor his impact by paying it forward. Let the DOC in us endure. Balbalaga salamat, manlupuan pisa salamat, anggad sangab na puso mi, so pisa salamat mi at si kayo namin. Masanto sa kabasan at si kayo namin.
Thank you very much, Reverend Father Anthony Layog and Bishop Fidelis Layog. Once again, our Matalunggaring awardee, Doctor of the Masses, posthumous awardee, Dr. Amado M. Layog. Applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Our third awardee is a dedicated his life to serving God and the Catholic faithful. Born on December 21, 1941, in Langiran, Bayambang, Pangasinan. He was raised in a devout family that nurtured his strong faith. His seminary years prepared him for a lifelong vocation in the priesthood. His ministry began as an assistant parish priest in San Carlos and Dagupan City, before he became a parish priest in various towns. Known for his compassion and leadership, he strengthened his faith communities and fostered deeper connections between clergy and laity. He also took on key roles in the Archdiocese of Lingayen Dagupan, serving as Vicar General, Rector of the College Seminary, and Chairman of the Archdiocesan Commission on Christian Education and Formation. In 1995, Pope John Paul II honored him with the title of Papal Chaplain. Though he officially retired in 2006, he continues to provide spiritual guidance as a guest priest and confessor. His legacy of faith, humility, and service remains a beacon of inspiration in the Catholic Church. Nominated by Mr. Marco Gerardo V. Artacho, our Matalunggaring awardee, a lifetime of faith and service, Reverend Monsignor Orlando C. Sabangan, PC.
Santo sa kabasat si kayo namin. Si Propeta Jeremias, he said, God has destined me, He planned my life. And Psalm 139, God says, I have known you even before you were born, when you were in your mother's womb. Kanyan jad pangawat ko at sayan, Matalonggaring Awards. Ibagat ko, I offer this Matalonggaring Award at sa isang kamatalonggaringan sa Diyos sa katawan. Si Kato sa pagdangkod sa Yaya Award. Tantumat, misalamat agad katawan, sari at ating ko. Dumaralo si tatay ko, si Priano Reyes Sabangan, si inak, housewife ng Saman, ang minang tatay salitan housewife, kanya no ibagaraan ito'y trabaho, occupation of your mother, walad abo. Ito'y trabaho trabaho to namin. Kato'y manluto, mampusag, may tindaan. So, housewife. Minsan, misalamat ang matad katawan, sa kuyak, si Luis Sabangan, tan si Atsik, si Caraso, tinmulong at ating minampaaral at siya. Retired matira, a teacher, ng principal si kuyak at Manila High School in Intramuros, Manila. Si Atsik, ng retired mata principal, at Tamaro. Kanyan, sa ikay matapi salamat ang ko sa patron tayo, ya San Vicente Ferrer. Sa foundation na impanaral ko, giba po jaad Bayambang. I studied here from grade 1 to 4. Sa imunan nan ayaman mi, di madaus, kuntang gapulaman abong amo. Si Madam Segunda Sabangan. Grade 2, sa inang classrooman mi, di mad amay garden. Walay garden minansaman 2 stories. Teacher mi, Mrs. Aguirre. Dan si Miss Nunez ng maternity leave era. Grade 3, di manad Gabaldon, si Mr. Ambrosio Sabangan. Grade 4, the training department, si Mrs. Castillo. Ako lang natanda ni Ray classmates ko grade 5, grade 6, wala kami lad Manila, isang seminaryo. Sa natandaan ko si Dr. Henry Fernandez. From grade 2 to 4, classmates kami. At nasaman, ang gapuray prep, ang gapi kindergarten, grade 1 at tampol. Ganyan jak na aral so 3 RS. May taluran R, kuandari Japon, R. Ito may taluran R, reading, writing, arithmetic. Ganyan naman aral kami, mamanimay litra at tagay na blackboard, alphabet. Then manaral kami, walay singa pinagkakaton. May aba, kwanda. Isulat nun madami, ba, ese, oso. Ba, kwantuan. Ba, ese, oso. Natanamig tinawag namin classmate kung kaabay ko. Sige pa, bigkasin mo nga yan kung ano yung biaba isi oso. Tumayo siya, pero hindi mabigkas kung ano yung biaba isi oso. Tinignan ako, sabi ng madam, kinuliripan to. Ang ibabangat. And then, imbaganan si madam, hint, biaba isi oso, aya may kakanayo. Noon inong kayo tanong at abong. Ay, ang taklamadam. Biaba isi oso. Ungot. Amay ungot, aman may coconut shell. Tanggapon ni biaba isi oso baso. Kanyan sama sa kaya nanunutan ko dya. Isan, salamat minsan agaw dya dagupan. Walay house blessing. Ami kaabay ko, bali-bali istoryaan mi. Sa kwanda, walay sa kaya pare, may Father Sabangan, kaba ko maatsira siya Chipuring. bali-bali istoryaan mi. Nan bandad sampot, ay Father, siya manay siya niya. Si kayo, Father, imbaga Orlando sa bangan. Ay, tinabigtok na plag ko lawari may kakanan ko. Ni pugsok lawari at si kato. Kanyan mi salamat aray opisyalis tayo, mayor, vice mayor, sa board member, dari walat municipal council, administrator, LGU, tanatan, ipakabat yu agad karaklan, akalagya janatan, sa antarangarang ko, agdantay lupak, agdantay alagay ko. Kanyan mi salamat agad executive committee, dari committees, at pangipakabat yun siya, si kayo sumatalong garing at sayan agaw. Santo sa kabasad si kayo namin.
Thank you very much. Once again, our Matalunggaring awardee, a lifetime of faith and service, Reverend Monsignor Orlando C. Sabangan, PC. Applause again, please. Our next awardee was a highly respected physician whose contribution significantly improved healthcare in Pangasinan. Born in Bayambang, he pursued his early education at West Central School and Orient College in Dagupan City before taking up an associate in arts at Letran College as a preparatory course for medical school. He later earned his medical degree from the Far Eastern University College of Medicine. His medical career began as a resident physician at Pangasinan Medical Center and later at Pangasinan Provincial Hospital, where he specialized in the eye, ear, nose, throat, ENT department. His expertise led him to the Regional Medical Center in Dagupan City, where he served as Medical Specialist 3 and eventually became the head of the ENT department. To further enhance his skills, he underwent training at Jose Reyes Memorial Medical Center in Manila. One of his most notable achievements was organizing and becoming the first director of Bayambang District Hospital, ensuring quality medical services for his community. His leadership and dedication left a lasting impact on the healthcare system. His legacy continues to inspire future and medical professionals, embodying the values of service, perseverance, and excellence in medicine. Nominated by Mr. Wenchi Artacho, our Matalunggaring awardee, a dedicated medical pioneer, Dr. Ernesto Trinidad Mataban.
to my loving people of Bayambang, magandang umaga po sa inyo. I think this is my luckiest day in my life. You know why? It's because we have 3 Mataban family awardee today. We have Father Amado Layo Mataban. We have Mina Lim, the daughter of my Uncle Felix Berto, and yours truly. We are all gathered here this morning to celebrate and honor one of the meaningful, glorious, happy moments in our life. And with this, with all humility and honesty, I can truly say that I'm deeply gratitude and honored to be one of the recipients of this award. To me, this award is a milestone in my life. Therefore, I will give my simple and humble message. I would like all of you, with all respect, to bear with me, for I'm not an accomplished speaker. But there is a program and protocol to follow, so susubukan ko, baka kakayanin ko. Thank you to all men and women who made this program occasion possible, with the blessing, of course, of our lovely, remarkable, and distinguished Mayor, Mayor Nina Jose Kiambao, and Vice Mayor Camille Sabangan. And of course, with the blessing also of our man of the hour, ex-mayor, Cesar Kiambao, who's the author and pursuit, the author of modern ang bagong bayambang, whose pursuit and commitment to community development lives on. To our honorary and respected guests, our parents, relatives, friends, thank you for coming in gracing this award. I am somewhat in a crossroad of what I'm going to see this morning that make me one of the nominees of this prestigious award. And I decided to just give a brief summary of why this hospital existed right now. All I know is that during the early 70s, the Department of Health has the plan to put up a hospital in Bayambang. So the problem or dilemma of the regional the department office is to purchase a lot in Bayambang. It so happened that the regional director here in Region 1 was Dr. Ignacio Mataban, the Guzman, who happens to be a relative of my mother, came to our place and asked my parents whether we want to have a hospital in Bayambang, knowing that we have a lot of Bayambang. So my mother and my parents told the regional director to, please, you will know after a week, director, because we are going to study with my husband, whether we can donate a piece of land of our land in Bicol, Bayambang. So with this, after a few days, my mother and my father decided to donate a piece of land with the hospital right now. Before I forget, I would like also to greet my brother Josepino, my sister-in-law, my nephew and grandchildren who are here, and also my friends, beyond words, beyond distance, and beyond time, Dr. Miguel, who worked side by side with me during the formative years of this hospital. And with this case, thank you very much. Thank you for the blessing, the award that you have given to me, and thank you for our happy moment. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, our Matalunggaring awardee, a dedicated medical pioneer, Dr. Ernesto Trinidad Mataban. A big hand of applause, please. Our fifth awardee is a certified public accountant and accomplished banker. Has demonstrated excellence in her profession and philanthropy. A proud daughter of Bayambang, she excelled academically, graduating as valedictorian in grade school and salutatorian in high school. She pursued degrees in business administration and accountancy at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and furthered her studies in finance and economics at the Institute of Canadian Bankers. Her career began as the CF Gores Velayo company before transitioning into banking. She worked and trained in local and international banks, including Bank of California, Bank of Nova Scotia, ING Bank, and Banco Santander, now BDO Private Bank. She retired as the first Vice President of Financial Comptroller after gaining extensive experience in audit, accounting, finance, and IT administration. She was awarded the Pearl Award by the Bankers Institute of the Philippines in recognition of her highest standard of professional excellence. Beyond her corporate success, she has dedicated herself to social causes. She initiated annual medical missions in our town since 2008 up to the present, collaborating with local and international specialists. During the pandemic, she led the BIFIL SPC team Handog Pag-asa Committee to aid marginalized communities. She continues to spearhead projects such as providing digital learning tools to public schools and conducting financial literacy seminars. Nominated by our OIC Municipal Accountant, Mr. Flexner De Vera, our Matalunggaring awardee, accomplished banker and philanthropist, Madam Agnes C. Brillante Santos.
Masanto sa kabuhasan at si kayon amin. Good morning, everyone. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude to be a recipient of the prestigious Bayambang Matalunggaring Award. This annual excellence recognition program resonates with my professional organization's official tagline, Quest for Banking Excellence. It goes beyond contributions to the development of our municipality and our country. It translates into higher accomplishments for an inclusive and selfless service to humanity. Indeed, a noble pursuit that is worthy of emulation. To the organizers of the Matalunggaring Award, especially the 2025 Selection Committee, thank you for this incredible honor. Your recognition of my achievements is a testament to the hard work and dedication of my entire team. I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude to my major collaborators, the Bankers Institute of the Philippines, Inc., or BIFIL. They are actually well represented here. We have 5 members who attended this event. The SM Foundation, through my former boss, Ms. Tessie Coson, our beloved Mayor, Nina Jose Quiambao, and former Mayor, Cesar T. Quiambao, my family, friends, relatives, colleagues, and schoolmates here and abroad who inspired and supported me along the way. Your encouragement, guidance, and care meant so much to me. This award is not just a recognition of my own achievements, but also a proof of the impact we can do when we work together towards a common goal. Thank you again for this prestigious award. I will cherish it always and continue to strive for excellence in everything I do. To the relevant LG units, MHU, and school heads, our work is far from over. I look forward to discussing your interests or challenges encountered in pursuing the initiatives we have laid down so far in the form of free webinars in banking and finance for graduating college students, personal finance, health, and wellness for organized groups, and we would like to offer that also to parochial schools. And tricycle drivers can also be part of the audience, and also the market vendors. And also, the use of and dissemination of the financial literacy videos, which we have already freely made available to Bayambang. I also hope to see you volunteer in our forthcoming BIFIL SMFI 15th annual medical mission here in Bayambang. And perhaps soon we will have free webinars on our rich Filipino culture and traditions. If you don't know yet, the Filipino culture is one of the greatest in the whole wide world. And leveraging that to help address our country's economic challenges. Let us continue to help each other with our missions. 1 million dreams for Bayambang. Yes, 1 million dreams is all it's gonna take. Thank you most especially to our Almighty God, from whom all blessings come. May He continue to bless and guide us in our endeavors. Mabuhay tayon amin, tansay pinablin balay tayon Bayambang.
Thank you very much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Matalunggaring awardee, an accomplished banker and philanthropist, Madam Agnes C. Brillantes Santos. Applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Our last but never the least is a distinguished leader in the corporate world. Starting from the bottom of the corporate hierarchy, she steadily worked her way up to the Oracle Philippines, a very successful multinational company in the Philippines, providing leading-edge technologies to key government agencies. Through resilience and continuous learning, she embraced challenges as stepping stones to success. Her dedication led her to the highest position as Managing Director of Oracle Philippines, the first ever female to hold that position. The company is best known for its Oracle database software, relational database management system, and for computer system and software, such as Solaris and Java. Oracle is considered one of the most popular relational database system in the world. Under her leadership, Oracle Philippines was hailed as the best performing software business in 2013. In 2015, she was invited to be a presenter or speaker in the Asia CEO Women's Summit. In a male-dominated industry, she shattered gender barriers, leaving behind a legacy of integrity and leadership. Nominated by Madam Magdalena S. Tan, our Matalunggaring awardee, Distinguished Leader in Information Technology, Madam Maria Mina Luz Mataban Lim.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, let's do this. I was told by Joel walang speech daw eh. So I'll do my very best. Okay. Good morning to our beloved Mayor, Mayor Nino Jose Kiambao, our former Mayor, Kuya Cesar Kiambao. I call him Kuya Cesar for some very dear reasons. And for all the officers of the LGU, to the selection committee, thank you for trusting me with this award. It is such a big honor. Earlier, Kuya Ernie said there are three of us who descended from the family of Don Apolonio Mataban as awardees. So, hindi yun favoritism. I believe we earned it, and we are very much honored to receive it. Okay. So, yes, I work for Oracle, and I retired recently. Oracle, being a technology company, is an enabler of innovation. And I believe I share that view with Kuya Cesar. Kuya Cesar, having worked with Stratcom, we worked together on several projects, and maybe he has forgotten, but I have given him the biggest discount ever. just so we win the bid, and he said, let's do this together, and we work in nation building. And that's always been my belief, that we have a role to play in nation building. Okay, and I believe I have a role to play in our beloved town of Bayambang. Many years back, sabi ni Kuya Cesar, if you want to contribute to the town, sumpot ka lang. Ang tigawang ko kuya, basta dakal sugawan, but I warn you, kanda, mulag susweldo. But I think, you know the decision I made. Agak simumpot, not because mulag susweldo, but because I believe there are so many ways to help the town. Okay, so that's where we are. And where I am today, or where I finished my career at Oracle, is no accident nor luck. It was based on hard work and the values instilled by our parents being Attorney Felix Berto Mataban and my mother being Mrs. Catalina Mataban. my background, as a child of Bayambang, I was raised by a village. Let me quote a popular African saying that says, "It takes a village to raise a child." And that child in me prepared me for something bigger. When I left Bayambang and I studied in Bayambang from kinder to grade 6, then I moved to Manila for my secondary and college. But I believe I have the best public education at, we call it CLTC, now it's PSU. So CLTC, so we're products of, this side is my village. That's the village that raised me. And maybe my teacher, I think I still have 2 surviving teachers, Mrs. Clarita Jimenez and Mrs. Fernando. I don't believe they're here today, but I give them also honor for having taught me and prepared me for something bigger. So that when they said, okay, accountancy or the CPA board exam is tough, everyone warned me that it's gonna be tough, and I said that I'll go for it. I couldn't settle for anything less. So because that's the Bayambang in me, I strive for excellence. Nothing, I don't think this young girl from Bayambang had bigger dreams. And because those dreams were made possible by the way I was raised in Bayambang. The way we were raised in Bayambang during my childhood was very traditional. Our lives were centered around family, community, education, and church. Every Saturday, we are a Legionnaire of Mary. I have my allegiance here. We go to church. It has to be the first Mass. First Mass is 5:30 in the morning. So that's the kind of childhood we have. And I wouldn't trade it for anything else because that's what made me now. Again, to the village that raised me, we call it the village Isiluut. It's between the Stasyon ng Tren and Baloy. So it's Isiluut, it's that street, Bonifacio and Avenida. So that's where I grew up. And I'm very proud of the village that raised me. Thank you, my village. Thank you, my family, my siblings, my cousins. Thank you, Bayambang LGU, for giving me this honor. Thank you. Good morning.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Matalunggaring awardee, Distinguished Leader in Information Technology, Madam Maria Mina Luz Mataban Lim. Applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it, our 6 Matalunggaring awardees for this year. And this time, may we request all our awardees for a photo opportunity. Our ushers and usherettes will be helping them, starting with Matalunggaring awardee Leovildo Leo Miguel Hiron, represented by Dr. Nicolas Miguel. Dr. Amado M. Layog, represented by Reverend Father Anthony Layog and Bishop Fidelis Layog. Reverend Monsignor Orlando C. Sabangan. Dr. Ernesto Trinidad Mataban. Madam Agnes C. Brillante Santos, and Madam Maria Mina Luz Mataban Lim. Mga kaibigan, bigyan po muli natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang ating mga Matalunggaring awardees. Mas malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan, mga kaibigan. Thank you very much. I invite everybody to please settle again and go back to your proper seats to your seats as we are about to continue our program. At this moment, as we settle, ladies and gentlemen, our officials, may we request them to go back to their seats. Sir? As we continue for our program, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the founder of Revolusyon Laban sa Kahirapan, our former mayor, now the special assistant to the office of the mayor, and our first gentleman. Please welcome Dr. Cesar T. Gambao for an inspirational message.
Thank you, Peng. Una-una, babatiin ko ang aking may bahay, beloved Mayor Nina Jose Quiambao, members of my family who are here today, the Jose Quiambao family, hindi ko na babanggitin isa-isa, our Sangguniang Bayan, headed by Vice Mayor I.C. Sabangan and other members of the Sangguniang Bayan, ang ating mga new awardees for Matalanggaring Award 2025. Congratulations po, palakpakan po natin sila. Kasama na rin po ang mga former Matalanggaring Awards since 2018. Kung mapapansin niyo po, we made it prestigious award. Sabi ko kay Joel, dapat permanente ang trophy, kailangan parang awarding ng Ramon Magsaysay awarding ceremony. Kaya nakita niyo po ang paghahanda ni Joel. Ang ating selection committee, congratulations. Congratulations. Anim lang ang napili niyo. Sana we look for more Matalanggaring awardees next 2026. Ang ating guest from Byfield na palagi pong tumutulong sa bayan ng Bayambang. They are always here. Every year, meron silang mga medical mission, of course, headed by our awardee, Agnes Brillantes. Honored guests, mga kaibigan, good morning. 9 years ago, the Matalanggaring Award was established with a clear purpose: to rekindle the spirit of patriotism and deepen our love for Bayambang. It is not just a recognition of individual success, but a celebration of those who dedicate their lives to uplifting our community and adding more pride to our municipality of Bayambang. I understand the weight and responsibility that come with it. And now, as a steadfast partner in public service, alongside my wife, your current mayor, Mayor Nina Jose Quiambao, I am deeply honored to celebrate this year's outstanding awardees. Before anything else, I would like to extend my gratitude to those who made this event possible. To the selection committee, your dedication in choosing today's honorees ensures that the true spirit of Matalanggaring lives on. To those who took time to nominate these exceptional individuals, thank you for recognizing their contributions and for championing the ideals of this award. And of course, a special appreciation to our Sangguniang Bayan Secretary, Joel Camacho, whose vision, okay, palakpakan natin si Joel para lalong mas maganda ang awarding natin sa 2026. Whose vision and commitment continue to elevate this event each year. Not only has he helped maintain the high integrity of this recognition, but he is also actively working on conducting nominations to ensure that we continue to honor and inspire excellence within our community. Maraming salamat, Joel, sa iyong walang sawang dedikasyon upang ipagpatuloy ang diwa ng Matalunggaring. Ngunit simula ngayon, I'd like to personally request that you conduct the nomination year-round to allow for more nominees. Pwede ba yun? As I am certain there are many more deserving individuals for this award. We just need to search them. Marahil nagtataka kayo kung bakit ngayong taon ay sa umaga natin ginanap ang makasaysayang event na ito dahil nakasanayan na nating hapon hanggang gabi. But let's be honest, there's no perfect time to honor outstanding individuals like you. In fact, kung pwede lang araw-araw, di ba? Pwede naman natin i-honor kayo araw-araw. Not morning, afternoon, or evening. Today, we honor individuals who prove that success is not about where you start, but how far you are willing to go. Ipinakita ninyo sa ating lahat na walang hamong hindi kayang lampasan, walang pangarap na hindi kayang abutin, at walang layuning hindi kayang makamit basta't may sipag, tiyaga, at malasakit sa kapwa at pagkakaisa ng bayambangenyo. But let us not forget, being named Matalunggaring Awardee is not just an accolade. It is a challenge. Hamon ito na maging inspirasyon sa iba, na ipasa ang natutunang aral at tulungan ang ating kapwa bayambangenyo na umasenso. This is how we change mindsets. This is how we create a culture of success, not by focusing on the individual speaker, but by amplifying the impact of those who lead by example. And speaking of leadership, as the elections draw near, let me take this opportunity to remind you to choose leaders who truly have the heart for our municipality. Those who seek not just power and authority, but the opportunity to serve, leaders will fight not just for progress, but for the people who need them most, like our revolusyon, laban sa kahirapan. Kaya hinahamon ko po ang bawat isa sa inyo to partner with us, the LGU, in doing our best to change the status quo, na hindi porket pinanganak na mahirap, ay lalaki at mamamatay na mahirap. Let us use our influence to show our people that success is not only for the few privileged, but for everyone who has dreams and the heart to move forward and achieve them. Once again, congratulations to our Matalunggaring awardees. May your achievements inspire many more, and may your excellence continue to shape the future of Bayambang. Maraming salamat po at magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much to our Special Assistant to the Office of the Mayor, Dr. Cesar T. Kimbao. Another round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, to give the words of gratitude, please welcome our Municipal Councilor and the Honorary Co-Chairperson of Matalunggaring Awards 2025, the Honorable Benamin Francisco de Vera.
Thank you, Paeng. Good morning, everyone. to the Honorable Mayor, Mayor Nina Jose Quiambao, to the Special Assistant to the Office of the Mayor, former Mayor Dr. Cesar Tirado Quiambao, and Vice Mayor Ian Camille Sabangan, our Liga ng mga Barangay President, Pangasinan Chapter, Board Member Raul Sabangan, and all the department heads and unit heads, headed by Attorney Rodelyn Reginius Sagarino Vidad, and to all my fellow municipal councilors, good morning. It is a great honor to stand before you today as the honorary chairman of the 7th Matalunggaring Awards. This role carries immense responsibility, but it is one I wholeheartedly embrace because recognizing excellence is not just a privilege. Rather, it is a duty. Since the official awarding began in 2017, we have honored exceptional Bayambangueños who have brought pride not only to their families, but to our entire community. They have excelled in various fields, embodying the values of hard work, dedication, integrity, and service. Selecting this year's honorees was no small task, so my compliments to the selection committee. The Matalunggaring Awards are more than just recognitions. They set the standard for what we as a community hold in the highest regard. Each awardee serves as a model of excellence, a beacon of inspiration for the future generations. In a way, this award is a form of secular canonization as it reflects the principles we cherish and seek to uphold. I am confident that we have chosen individuals who truly deserve the distinction. Individuals who not only bring honor to themselves, but uplift the entire Bayambangueño spirit. Their achievements remind us all to strive for greatness in whatever path we take, wherever life may lead us. This year's awardees, congratulations. You make us proud to be Bayambangueños. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Benjamin Francisco de Vera. And this time, to give the closing remarks for this program, please welcome our Municipal Vice Mayor, the Honorable Dr. Ian Camille Castillo Sabangan.
Thank you, Dr. Rafael. Good morning to each and everyone, masantos sa kabuosan at sikatayon namin. To our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Nina Jose Quiambao. To our SATOM, our former Mayor, Dr. Cesar Quiambao. To my husband, Board Member Raul Sabangan. To our Sangguniang Bayan members, our LGU employees, our department heads, headed by Attorney Rodelyn Regini Sagarino Vidad. Of course, to our SB Secretary, Mr. Joel Camacho. Our Matalunggaring awardees and our former Matalunggaring awardees, our selection committee, barangay officials and SK officials, our guests and visitors, good morning po sa ating lahat. I was truly amazed to our Matalunggaring awardees. Congratulations. And the Matalunggaring Award, the highest honor bestowed by the local government unit of Bayambang, is more than just a recognition. It is a resounding testament to the extraordinary spirit and boundless potential that resides within our community. It shines a bright light on individuals who, through their dedication, innovation, and unwavering commitment to excellence in their respective fields, have not only achieved personal success, but have also brought immense pride and glory to Bayambang. To the recipients of the Matalunggaring Award, you are the living embodiment of our town's aspirations. Your achievements serve as a powerful inspiration. And you have shown us that with passion, perseverance, and a deep connection to our roots, we can reach the pinnacle of our endeavors and leave an indelible mark on our beloved home. Let the spirit of the Matalunggaring Award continue to inspire us all. Let it fuel our ambition, strengthen our resolves, and of course, it lies the potential to achieve greatness and to contribute to enduring pride and success of our beloved town. Once again, congratulations to Matalunggaring awardees. You are the pride of Bayambang. Maraming salamat po. May God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Vice Mayor Ian Camille Sabangan. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the awarding ceremony. Muli po, as I close, let me once again acknowledge our Matalunggaring awardees, starting with Eskrima Master, Father of Largo Mano in America, Leo Vigildo Leo Miguel Hiron, represented by Dr. Nicolas Miguel. Applause and shout, please. The Doctor of the Masses, Dr. Amado M. Layog, represented by Reverend Father Anthony Layog and Bishop Fidelis Layog. A lifetime of faith and service, Reverend Monsignor Orlando C. Sabangan, PC. Applause, please. A dedicated medical pioneer, Dr. Ernesto Trinidad Mataban. Accomplished banker and philanthropist, Madam Agnes C. Brillante Santos. And distinguished leader in information technology, Madam Maria Minaluz Mataban Lim. Malasigabong palakpakan naman po dyan, mga kaibigan. And as I close this program, let me share some lines from the poet Albert Pike. What we do for ourselves dies with us. What we do for others and the world remains and is immortal. Today, we do not merely honor individuals. We celebrate legacy that will live on in the heart of Bayambang and beyond. Let this be our call to greatness. Mabuhay ang mga Matalunggaring awardees. Parang meron ang Mabuhay ang mga Matalunggaring awardees. Mabuhay ang bayan ng Bayambang. Viva Señor San Vicente! Viva Bayambang! Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And as we enjoy our lunch, please welcome the champion of Himigsikan 2024, Ms. Jenna Bautista.
Buglay mo sa pagwis ng iyong paghayo, ang pangako ng walang hanggang bukas. Papaong man sa'yo'y hapdi ng puso, aabutin ang at ang bunga ng wagas mong pagsisipag. Pag-unlad nitong bayang nililiyan, kapalit na dalamhati't pahihirap. Pag-angat ng kabuhayan, marilang liparin mo ang langit sa puso't diwa, Pinoy na isinilang sa ating bansa. Ako'y hindi sanay sa wikang mga banyaga, ako'y Pinoy na mayroong sariling wika. Jose Rizal, nooy nagwika, siya ang nagpangaral sa ating bansa. Ang di raw magmahal sa sariling wika ay higit pa ang amoy sa mabahong isda.